A dining table is more than a piece of furniture, it is the heart of a home. It is where families gather, where laughter fills the air, where meals turn into memories and moments turn into stories. And because of this emotional importance, dining tables and chairs have become some of the most profitable pieces a woodworker can build. When people invest in a dining set, they are not just buying wood, they are buying comfort, elegance, connection, and a space that brings people together. This is why the demand for handcrafted dining tables and chairs continues to rise, and why skilled creators who understand design, craftsmanship, and buyer expectations consistently turn these projects into a strong, steady source of income. This narration dives into the most desirable dining table and chair ideas, designs that sell quickly, attract returning customers, and elevate your woodworking into a profitable craft. From modern minimalist dining sets to warm rustic tables, from compact city-friendly layouts to grand family-sized centerpieces, each idea is built on one core purpose: elegance that sells. In this guide, we explore the artistry behind these creations, the psychology of why buyers choose certain styles, and the business strategies that help each project bring in more profit. Whether you are a beginner building your first dining set or an advanced craftsman expanding your workshop collection, the world of dining furniture offers endless room for income, creativity, and personal satisfaction. A dining table carries a certain weight, both physically and emotionally. It often stands as the largest piece of furniture in a home's living space, immediately drawing the eye and setting the tone for the entire interior. Because of this, customers tend to approach the purchase of a dining table and chairs with deep care, often searching for something unique, sturdy, meaningful, and harmoniously designed. This is where handmade craftsmanship stands out above mass-produced items. Handmade furniture brings authenticity, warmth, and that unmistakable feeling of quality that machine-generated products cannot replicate. Your work as a craftsperson becomes not just a service but a form of art that buyers appreciate and are willing to pay a premium for. When designing a dining set that sells quickly, the first element to understand is proportion and balance. Buyers want furniture that fits their space perfectly and doesn't overwhelm or disappear within a room. They look for symmetry between table and chairs, harmony in the materials, and a visual softness that blends seamlessly with their decor. Rustic farmhouse dining sets sell especially well because they embody this balance. A thick wooden top with natural grain patterns, paired with gently tapered legs or cross-leg trestle supports, delivers a blend of simplicity and strength that customers find both comforting and stylish. Chairs with curved backs and solid seating provide the comfort people expect during long meals or family gatherings, while the overall rustic aesthetic creates a warm, inviting atmosphere. Modern dining sets, on the other hand, appeal to customers who prefer cleaner lines and contemporary living. Sleek rectangular tabletops with beveled edges, paired with angular chair designs and minimalist silhouettes, often attract younger buyers or those in urban settings. These designs emphasize precision and elegance without excessive decoration, making them versatile enough for apartments, condos, and modern homes. The beauty of modern dining sets lies in their simplicity. The more streamlined the design, the more it resonates with customers seeking a clutter-free environment. By focusing on subtle details such as edge profiles, leg geometry, and smooth finishes, you elevate even the simplest design into something extraordinary and market-worthy. One of the most profitable strategies in dining furniture is personal customization. Customers love the feeling of owning a piece tailored specifically to their needs. This may include choosing the length of the table, selecting between round and rectangular tops, or adjusting chair heights for comfort. Custom stained colors allow people to match the dining set to their flooring, cabinetry, or overall interior style. These small variations significantly increase the overall value of each sale. Customers who see that their ideas matter are more likely to purchase and even become loyal clients who return for matching benches, buffets, or additional chairs later on. Round dining tables have also gained popularity because they maximize space and create equal seating arrangements, which many families appreciate. A round table with a sturdy pedestal base appeals to customers who want to avoid bumping into legs while sitting or moving around the space. When paired with curved back chairs, the design becomes both elegant and highly functional. Round tables with beautifully carved pedestal supports tend to sell quickly, especially when crafted from hardwoods such as oak, walnut, mahogany, or ash. The flowing silhouette of a curved base adds a sculptural element that turns the dining table into the room's centerpiece. Chairs, of course, play a crucial role in the profitability of any dining set. Buyers often say that they decide to purchase based on comfort first and appearance second. A stunning table loses its appeal if the chairs feel uncomfortable. This is why curved backrests, ergonomic angles, and strong joinery are key to creating chairs that customers love. The most successful dining chairs combine comfort and design with long-lasting durability. Mortise and tenon joinery, reinforced frames, and carefully curved back slats all contribute to chairs that withstand years of use. Even subtle design choices, such as tapered legs or cushioned seats, significantly influence buyer interest. Another growing trend is the combination dining set, mixing chairs with a bench on one side. Families with children or those with smaller dining rooms often prefer benches because they can seat more people within a limited space. Benches are also quicker to build than multiple chairs, reducing your labor time while increasing your overall profit. When a customer receives a table, chairs, and a bench as a cohesive package, the perceived value of the set increases dramatically. Wood selection is essential not only for beauty but also for profit. Hardwoods such as walnut, maple, beech, acacia, and oak sell well because customers associate them with longevity and premium quality. Walnut, with its rich, deep tones, immediately conveys luxury. Crafting dining tables and chairs is not only a journey of design and skill but also a path toward meaningful and profitable woodworking. Each piece you build becomes part of someone's home, someone's daily life, and someone's cherished memories. As you continue creating elegant, high-demand dining sets, your craft will naturally grow into a business that rewards both your creativity and your hard work. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.